Hello there guys, welcome to another episode of Project Zippy. Today we are going to, I think what we might do today actually, I've just changed my mind because I forgot about it until now again. I keep trying to put my mind off this. I need to cut out a piece of doorstep and weld in a new piece basically, so what I'll do is I'll just cut it to just before the edge of this lip here. Hopefully that's where the rust will end, and down there, get the lip off the inner sill piece, cut that out, put a new piece in. We'll see how far we can get with it, I think. So yeah, let's crack on with it, shall we? Okay then guys, I am done for today. So we've got a nice chunk cut out of the doorstep and a new chunk welded in. Yeah, not bad at all really. I've no filler in that or anything. You can see just a tiny high spot there which I need to attend to, but apart from that, pretty good. A little imperfection on that edge, but it'll be hidden by the door seal, so I'm really not that fussed. And I've also welded up the little holes where the rivets were. That end isn't quite perfect, but it doesn't matter. Again, look, once I've painted it, that paint will end up filling that in. So yeah, pretty impressed with that. That's this evening's work done with anyway. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.